Welcome to Step 1 American English. This is Lesson 3.12 and, but, and to. As always, you will listen to the vocabulary. Next, you will repeat the grammar. Then you will speak on your own. Let's begin. Listen. Sad. Happy. Young. Old. Now repeat. Listen to the grammar and repeat after the beep. John is happy. Ben is happy too. John and Ben are happy. Sheila is young. Betty is young too. Sheila and Betty are young. John is happy. Mike is sad. John is happy, but Mike is sad. Betty is young. Fran is old. Betty is young, but Fran is old. Now it's your turn to speak. Look at the picture, say the sentences. You will have 10 seconds. Good luck. Al is sad too. Hannah is happy too. Dave and Bill are young. Fran and Sarah are old. Dave is young, but Fran is old. Al is sad, but Hannah is happy. That's it. Did you get them all correct? Congratulations. You're on your way to speaking perfect American English.